Okay, in our last lecture, we have rendered successfully all of our articles to the corresponding slugs over here. Now in this lecture, what we would need to do is to fix some issues with our homepage here. As you can see, we have a button that needs to go somewhere, but it doesn't. So what we would need to do is to go to our posts.js here, our component. And what we would need to do is to change that text first to ReadMore ... And here we would want to provide an href to be equal to props. And let's say the props is going to be .readMore. And now what we would need to provide is in here in our index.js, we would need to add to our query our fields, and from our fields we would need to get our slug, and to our post we would need to provide to the readMore prop, we would need to provide node.fields.slug. So we would need to have our link here. Okay, and as you can see, we have rendered and linked our blog posts to the corresponding blog post pages. One last thing that I wanted to show you that we would need to fix is that our header image over here, or the text, is not linked to our home page. So let's go ahead and open our header here. And in our navbar brand, we would need to change our href here to only /. And let's go ahead and test this out. Whenever we are on a page here, we would need to click on our logo and we're on our home page. So this was it for our lecture here. We have successfully created our blog here. We have an About Us page, a Contact Us page, and we have our blog posts here. So this is it for this lecture. See you in the next one.